Hey guys, Machines and Mal here. Just want to show you this Echo trimmer I picked up the other day for free off of a local buy and sell website. Person advertised it, said free Echo trimmer, doesn't run, good for parts. And I responded to the ad. I was the first responder. Pardon the pun, it's not really a pun, but anyways, I responded first and went and picked it up, and it's complete. It's in really nice shape, guys, and it was free, completely free. Yeah, so anyway, I took a quick look at it, and the primer bubble, as hard as it's actually broken, you can see that primer bubble is broken, and when I try to throttle it, the carb, you can see the cable pulling there. The carb is, oh, there it goes. It was really sticky, glued shut. So that tells me that that carburetor is probably going to need a rebuild. Now, if you watched our last video, I did the Still FS38 carburetor swap in a hurry. It was about 4.5 minutes. I thought, since I got this for free, guys, what would I want to invest in it to fix it? So I went on my favorite parts website, Amazon.ca. Up here in Canada, and I picked up this brand new, it's a reproduction. It's not an original, but it's a pretty damn good reproduction of that carburetor right there. Came in this box with no label. Came with a business card this time. I don't know what that means, but anyway. Carburetor is what we need. Comes with a new primer bubble. I've had good luck with these guys so far. So what I'm going to do is swap this carburetor out with lightning speed, and we're going to throw some gas in this, and we're going to see if this baby runs. I hope my phone battery doesn't die. I just got back from doing some service calls in the van. Made a few $100 today after work, so it was like a double the day. There you go. It was a double the day for me, which is good. Good time of year to be working. Good time of year to keep yourself busy, out doing stuff. So, service calls, helping out other people, and making a little pocket money on the side's always nice. But anyway, so we're just gonna swap this carburetor, and we're gonna see just what. Oh, is it ever sticky, this one? We're just gonna see if we get this baby running, guys. If she runs okay, we could probably sell this for $100, maybe $120 if we're lucky, or $80. I mean, whatever. The carburetor, I think, only cost me $18 or something like that. It actually shipped. So there's the old carburetor there. It actually shipped pretty quick, guys. I think I had this carb from Amazon in a week, about a week. Things seem to be picking up and shipping a little bit faster than they were there for a bit. I think Amazon was just shipping high priority items for a little while, but it seems now that that we're underway with this, things are moving a little quicker through the system. So that's good, guys. That's good. That's progress. So anyway, sorry if I'm blocking the view. I'm just changing, just loading up the throttle cable on the new carburetor. There you go. And we got the two fuel lines hooked up right there. I can see that the grommet, guys, is cracked. The fuel grommet's cracked. So if that leaks, we're going to have to replace it. I've got them. I keep them in stock because they're common part for service. But like I said, all we want to do is get a carburetor on this thing and see if it runs. We can do a little pressure wash cleanup on it afterwards, and put it on a different local buy and sell website. I don't like reposting items I get for free on one site, on the same site, to sell them. I think that's disrespectful to the other people. They frown upon that behavior. This thing's actually got a brand new air filter, guys. So we're gonna put in some mix here, right there. And like I said, I hope my batteries don't die. The phone's kind of dead. There you go. good old Shindawa Red Armor mix. That's the only stuff I like to use, Shindawa Red Armor. Actually, this stuff right here, guys, here's a plug. Red Armor by Shindawa. And this is a 100 milliliter bottle. 100 milliliter makes 5 liters. 5 liters of fuel. And only use premium fuel, guys, for this stuff. Highest octane fuel you can get. Alright. So, throttle works now. I'm going to prime this baby up. Here comes the fuel. It's a good sign, guys. And we're going to turn this baby on. Put on the choke. Give her a few pulls. See what happens. Not a thing, guys. Choke wasn't on. That's a good sign. Choke off. Doesn't sound too bad, guys, for free. Guys, she runs like new. Just had to get an air bubble out of that carburetor, but you hear that? She runs like a dream. So I'm gonna turn the video off, plug my phone in, let it charge for a little bit. Then I'm gonna do a quick film about giving this thing a clean, and we'll put some line in the line head, because right now there's no line in there, and it's not going to run properly with no load, so we'll put some line on there, give this thing a wash. I'll film that stuff so you can see, and then I'm going to post it for sale. Guys, I'm going to post this for $140. That's a little high, I think, but I'm going to do it. If I get $120 or $100, that's $80 or $100 profit, and honestly, 10 minutes of labor. Great little way to make a buck for the weekend. All right, I'm going to charge this up. I'll be right back. All right, guys. I got my camera perched on top of a California trimmer reel mower right now, and hopefully it doesn't fall, and hopefully the battery doesn't die. I'm going to show you really quick how I wash one of these things. Made a video a while ago about washing power equipment, a red lawnmower, a red Toro lawnmower, how I do it, and it got some hate. I don't know why. I've been doing it this way for 10 years, a fourth of my life, I guess. It's always worked. So anyway, I'm going to show you how I do it, guys. Whether you want to do it this way or a different way, it's up to you. So what I do is I take the secret weapon. That's not WD-40, guys. That's a citrus cleaner in a WD-40 bottle. And I give her a little, just give her a little soak in the citrus cleaner. Usually does a good job, guys. And then do the same thing down on this end right here. Give the guard a little clean. Put some line in her, guys, just while the camera was off. I didn't have any 105 line, guys. I used 095. I don't like using 095 in Weedeaters. It's a little thin, and the gas ones go through it pretty quick, but it's all I had today. So anyway, give her a little spray like that, and you can still see what I'm doing good. Then I got my handy dandy electric pressure washer, guys. Sometimes she takes a minute to get going. There you go. Okay, ready? Don't look too bad now, does it? Honestly, tell you the truth, it looks brand new. Sorry, it's kind of hard to do with one hand and then holding the thing and one hand pressure washing it, but you get the idea. Alright, so take a look at that, guys. Look at that. Free Weedeater. Well, it's not free. It costs me 20 bucks to fix it. But anyway, I'm going to post this onto a different buy and sell website than I bought it from for $140. And I guarantee you this baby's going to sell tonight. It's about 6:30 p.m. here. It's a beautiful day, by the way. 6:30 p.m. out here. Here's my old Ninja, guys. The old ZX6 1994. She just turned 30,000 kilometers on me today or yesterday. What a blast. Ride this thing to work every day of the week, except days it's raining. But anyway, there's the cowl trimmer camera tripod. That's going back to its home tomorrow. Had this all week, had to do a sharpen on it. But there she is. So hit subscribe, watch more videos about stuff like this, and stay safe out there. Thank you for watching.